Let me show you how to upload an HTML email signature to Gmail and explain why an HTML signature is a better choice than a JPG signature. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on the web and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, click on See All Settings. Scroll down until you find the Create New Signature option. Click on it, and a box will appear asking you to name your signature. Enter a name and click Create. This will open the email signature editor. If you have an HTML email signature, open the HTML file in Chrome. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire signature, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Go back to the Gmail signature editor and paste the signature into the box using Ctrl+V. Now, select the name of your signature in the Use for New Emails section. This ensures that your email signature will automatically appear at the bottom of every new email you create. It's usually best to leave on reply/forward blank after that. Adding a signature to every reply or forward will not look professional and may annoy the recipient. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom, and your professional HTML email signature is ready to use. It will automatically appear at the bottom of every new email you create. If you're curious about the difference between an HTML signature and a JPG signature, let me explain. When you use a JPG signature, it won't appear in some email clients, and the image will be cut off in some mobile devices, such as Outlook 2021, macOS, Mozilla Thunderbird, iOS 14, and Android 10. On the other hand, HTML signatures are responsive, clickable, and dark mode friendly, and work on all devices and email clients. That's why HTML signatures are always a better choice. If you still want to use a JPG signature, you can click on Insert Picture in the signature editor and the Add an Image page will open. Now paste the URL of the JPG signature you uploaded to the server here and click on Insert Image. Now the JPG signature will be added. And then click on Save Changes. If you are interested in learning how to upload an image to the server for free and make it load faster, check out the video linked in the I button. If you liked this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more useful content. And if you are interested in creating a professional email signature like this, check out the video linked on this screen. Thanks for watching.